Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Hydrogen Fuel Cells and Batteries Group exhibit. I invite everyone to take a seat and enjoy a drink on us. We have water, juice, or coffee while we continue on with our afternoon in fuel cells and their components. Our next presentation is Fuel Cells for Automotive and Stationary Applications, and here to talk to us today, we have Dr. Farzaneh Moradi, who is the Product Manager of Fuel Cell Engineering at AVL List. So let's look forward to a great afternoon together. Thank you.
So good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Farzaneh Moradi. I'm the Product Manager Fuel Cell at AVL. To introduce our company, AVL is the largest private engineering supplier in the world. So we are an engineering company. We are now globally 9,600 employees with a turnover of 1.6 billion euro. The headquarters is in Austria, and we have different affiliates globally all over the world. Well, this is the slides that what are the motivation of fuel cell, which I don't think that it's necessary to tell you what are the motivation, but the diagram that I put, this gives you a snapshot of AVL view about the fuel cell vehicle. We believe that for the range of less than 350 kilometers, battery electric vehicles makes much more sense. And for the bigger vehicle and longer range than 350 kilometers, fuel cell vehicles make much more sense. At AVL, we have started our business in 2002, so it's already 15 years of experience that we have in this field. We are around 120 engineers working on the fuel cell project, and we have been working with different customers from different segments, from passenger car, commercial vehicles, and also we have been working with different suppliers, Tier 1 and Tier 2. During the past 15 years, we have developed the, let's say, our PEM fuel cell product line, and also we have developed our solid oxide fuel cell systems. In solid oxide fuel cells, we have two different product lines. The first product line is our APU, or range extender, and the next one is our stationary fuel cell power generator. As you know, the PEM always work only with hydrogen, and with solid oxide fuel cell, you can use different type of the fuel, different type of conventional fuels that you have, diesel, gasoline, LPG, CNG, and so on. So during the past 15 years, we developed these three product lines at AVL, and we can support our customer with these three different systems. What we can do for our customer, we can support our customer with, I start from the right side of the circle. We can start the customer with component development, simulation, diagnostic of the fuel cell stack, testing and benchmarking, control of the fuel cell system, which is one of the most challenging parts, hardware in loop methodology, and of course system design and build up and validation. These are all AVL supports that we can provide our customer with those. For the PEM fuel cell system, internally we have developed 70 kilowatt system, which we can downscale it to, less than 70 kilowatt, 40, 30 kilowatt. Then we can also upscale this system to more than 70 kilowatt, up to 100, 120 kilowatt. So if we upscale our system, you can use this system for the passenger car, buses, low duty, medium duty, heavy duty trucks, and also train. And if you downscale, if you use the downscales of our system, you can use it as a range extender for passenger car, as a range extender for low duty and medium duty, and also for the train. What are the USPs of AVL PEM fuel cell system? So our system has a high efficiency. We are using a passive hydrogen recirculation. So in the fuel cell system, in some of them, they are using pump, but we use a passive recirculation unit for introduction of for the hydrogen. And with this, let's say, passive unit, the energy consumption is lower, therefore the efficiency of system is higher. So our system has a high power density. We have a patent for the diagnostics of the fuel cell stack. A stack, as you know, is the heart of the system, and it's the most expensive part of the fuel cell system. Therefore, you need to take care of your stack as best as possible. AVL could develop a patent for the diagnostic of the fuel cell stack that you can detect the different failure mode in your fuel cell stack on time before you hurt the stack. And also our system is capable of working in the temperature range of from -40 to 60 degrees Celsius. AVL also developed the fuel cell test beds and test system. If you visit our booth at D60, you can see also our test beds in virtual reality. You can put the goggles on it and then go to our test beds and really understand what is our test beds. This is a very unique test bed. It's in the range of 170 kilowatt. And it's capable of the testing of the entire fuel cell system. It's equipped with climate chamber, and you can do the testing from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. We have developed also different instruments for the testing of the fuel cell system that you can see all in our booth. Well, we have started our partnership with Greenlight. The reason that we started this partnership because AVL was missing the fuel cell test beds for the cell and the stack. Therefore, we have started this partnership with Greenlight Innovation in Vancouver. You can see the Greenlight booth also in the 56. And with this partnership, we can support our customer from cell testing to stack testing to system testbed, powertrain dyno, and also chassis dyno. So AVL could support the customer in the system, powertrain, and chassis dyno, and Greenlight could support the customer in the cell and stack testing. We have also developed various simulation tools from the cell, stack to system and powertrain and vehicle that you can also see our simulation capability in our booth. Well, beside PEM, we have been working on the solid oxide fuel cell as a range extender or as an APU. And the efficiency of our system is up to 55%. You can use different conventional fuels from diesel, gasoline, LPG, CNG, ethanol, methanol, biofuels for this system. It's practically emission-free. The only emission that you have is CO2, but due to the high efficiency, the amount of CO2 from this system is lower than the amount of the CO2 from the engine. No PM emissions and also very low noise. With all these propositions that this system has, it's capable to be used actually in the passenger car light-duty commercial vehicle, and also in the military applications because of a very low noise and high efficiency. One of our reference projects for our range extender system is the system that we have developed with Nissan together. And this vehicle was directly presented by the CEO of Nissan at Rio Olympic 2016. This is the first solid oxide fuel cell vehicle in the world. The type of the fuel is ethanol. And the reason that Nissan started to work with ethanol is that the first market for this vehicle is South America because of the high availability of ethanol. But of course, the other region can use this fuel because you simply can buy ethanol basically everywhere. We've got different, let's say, project examples, but due to the confidentiality, unfortunately, I cannot name them. Let's say the first project is the AVL PEM fuel cell concept car. It's an AVL demonstrator. The next one is the PEM fuel cell passenger car with one of the OEMs. The other one is the support of an OEM till a start of the production. And we sold out this diagnostic device to 12 different OEMs so far for the stack diagnostic. And we've supported an OEMs for heavy-duty truck PEM system, and also another OEM for 30 kilowatt range extender, again, till a start of the production. And the last product line that I would like to introduce you is our solid oxide fuel cell combined heat and power. This is a stationary power generator. You can use different fuels. The highest efficiency that you can get is with natural gas. So you could get the efficiency of more than 60%. For this system, our USP is, of course, the component development, system design, and the control of the entire system. For the CHP, we have been working with different customers in various range, from few kilowatt till megawatt range, and these are, let's say, different design of our system. And with showing this slide, I'm at the end of my presentation. I would be more than happy to see you at our booth at the 60 and also Greenlight booth at the 56. And I would be more than happy to support you in the future and to see you at our company.
Thank you so much, Dr. Moradi, for that very informative talk. If at this point we have any questions, I could bring the microphone out to you. And if people are feeling shy or don't have any questions right at this moment, then I'm sure Dr. Moradi is available to talk to you at booth D56. Perfect. So thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you.
I invite all of you to stick around for our final presentation in fuel cells and their components. It will be on testing solutions and components for fuel cell and electrolyzer systems, and it will be here in just a few minutes. Thanks so much.